Best small business ideas you can start with little money. If you're stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, your daydream of becoming self-employed is only a few short decisions away. Do you long to choose your own schedule, work from anywhere, and/or a career based on your passions? If so, good news. This fantasy doesn't have to remain in your head. Even if you don't have much in starting funds, there are tons of online small business ideas you can launch to transform that dream into a reality. So, to provide you with some inspiration, we've listed the best businesses to start, with little money. Let's dive into the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Here are a few business ideas that require little startup capital. 1. Freelance services. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, or social media management. Online selling. Start an e-commerce store selling products through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. 3. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to share your knowledge and expertise in a specific area. 4. Home-based food business. Offer meal delivery or catering services to people in your local area. 5. Dropshipping. A business model where you don't keep products in stock. Instead you partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer. 6. Virtual assistants. Offer administrative, technical or creative services to businesses and entrepreneurs from your home office. Check in the description to see the links on videos on how you can start making money online.